101.30 correct. Next, still. Pero paano gagawin natin dito? This one. 1 here. Nilalagay natin dito. Parehas na. So again, this is okay, so that is your SW and RW. How about for your SX and RX? Again, balik ka ulit ng gusto nyo.
So you will see, ito yung kwan natin, laptop ko. Tapos ito yung desktop. I'm remotely connecting to this desktop. This is not shared hindi ito split na monitor. Meron siyang sariling CPU system unit dun sa may ito. Iba yung keyboard niya. Ito yung keyboard nito. Iba yung keyboard niya.
Next.
So yan. Kung split ito, pag inusog ko dito, mag-end hindi. Kikita mo dito mismo. Kung yung nakikita sa left, ganun din sa may right. So I'm connecting to that. Kung i-exit ko dito, see.
Next.
Yeah. So ito yung buong desktop. I can shut down it remotely from here. So yun. Another would be this one. So ito yung server natin. I've installed Moodle here. The IP address, if you could observe, is somewhere here, 128. Yan na, 192.168.101.29. So yung first exercise ninyo is creating connection for VNC to work in between your desktop going to your other desktop or server. It could serve as like that, but feel free to use desktop to desktop na lang. Kasi sa VNC you can connect with the server kasi wala siyang GUI dun. Okay, I don't know, maybe pwede nyo siyang gamitin. I'm still using 18 here Okay, so another one is, if you could see here, I've configured a server as a web server, but here this is another desktop. This is Ubuntu 18. I've configured this one also as a file server. So kung titingnan natin, close ko muna ito. So ito na yung remote desktop natin na nasa under VNC. So pwede natin ng konti. Now ito yung computer natin. For example, in this case, andyan siya. Tapos under documents, so dito yung mga files natin. Okay. So I think yung isa lang nandito nilagay natin dyan. I could access this one mamaya as my shared. You could see there. So here, there, this one. So ito yun, aking mga dokumento and so on so forth. Try to open it again. So documents, it's until here. Okay. So if you go here, ganun din yun. This is under shared documents naman na siya. So how can we do that? I-close muna natin. Try natin mag-access. Ano naman? Nakamap na kasi siya. The other location actually here. Nasa file sharing na siya. Ayan, under documents. Okay. So this file server for the desktop to desktop. Pwede mong din gawing file server yung server mo kung gusto natin mo. So that would be your second additional activity. And the third additional activity would be setting up. Oh, by the way, you may be needing here the Samba. Yan. Yan. Yung Samba config file, it's really important. Mamaya. I won't be sharing this one. Feel free to use your own technique. It's because it may vary from one OS to another. Okay. I'm using 18 here. This is Ubuntu 18 pa yung gamit ko dito. This one is Ubuntu 21 o 20. So, magkaiba. Yan. Okay. So, sa file server, ito. Kakailanganin mo yan mamaya. Last but not the least would be web server. So here, this one has an IP address of 192.168.29. Yan yung nasa baba niya. So that is the Moodle server. Okay. So if you're going to see it here, in 168.101.29. Okay, so napiping natin siyang mabuti. Okay, Control-C lang natin. And then, let's open a browser. So right here. So type here 192.168.101.29. Makikita ninyo naka-install yung Apache na web server natin dito, which is this one. Pero if you can see, this is the server itself. So wala siyang front end. Back end lang siya. Ngayon, I've installed Moodle server here. So kung nilagay mo ganyan, magiging lagay mo lang dito /Moodle. Okay. And then wait. Ayan. This is my pre-installed web server using Moodle. Ayan. So, yan yung third activity na in addition ninyo na gagawin. Okay. So, lang yung demo natin. Take note, magkaibang computer to. So, ito yung laptop. Ito naman yung desktop. Nakakonect na siya doon sa may baba. So, separate yun. And then this one. Okay.